समर्थन एक टाइम केला फोटो ट्रॅकर फोटो होता हे काढतो फोटो काढतात
काल तिंगायला
होच चेकिंग दाखवते मग
काय मला
I don't have to repeat. My stand on doubling is well known to the people of Goa. It is not, I firmly believe that the government probably has positive motives for doubling. But because there are reasons for doubling, you cannot destroy the lives of the people. Okay? Now, it is very important to see the proximity of the existing track to the houses. It is hardly 14 meters away. Okay? And now you're coming with the second track. Now, I've been told by very definite authorities, railway authorities in fact, that to lay the second track, you need 14 meters towards, not towards the road, on the other side, 14 meters from the center of the existing track. Now, we marked this and we found out for ourselves visually that the second track, the land required comes within the compounds of the houses. In some cases, in Kasauli itself, the distance measurement of how much? 14 meters from the center of the track comes on the veranda of the houses. So now tell me, will people be able to live in these houses? Definitely. So all of us will have to leave our houses and go away. Is this development? And if it is, whose development? For who? It also is less. And I'm saying this not by speaking in the air. I have gone on the tracks recently to check it out. And this village, you may find at random 1 or 2 blocks, small pieces of coal here and there, but not like what it was before. Before, you could literally see a black area along the tracks where the coal had spilled. That's not happening. Thinking about it, that's why the work has not started here. And definitely, let us not think that our government is a government that's out to destroy. Our government is thinking about it, maybe thinking how to find alternatives, give our government a chance to do the right thing. My office used to be opposite the tracks in Kasauli, okay? And at that time, I used to see the trains moving up and down, and most of the trains were not covered. And there used to be spillage of coal. But now, if you look at every carriage that is going, it's well covered. That our government is responsible, government is taking measures, and maybe it is still deciding what to do as far as doubling is concerned. And ma'am, to be honest, I have not studied about the law. I don't know much about all the implications involved. I have to study.